Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. So the first method to turn on your Bluetooth is to click the Windows key. After that, you will see this menu from here, the Wi-Fi and sound menu. You need to click on it. After that, you will see the Bluetooth option. Click on this arrow from here. After that, you will see all the new devices and your connected devices. The next method to turn on your Bluetooth is to open the Windows key. After that, you will see the search bar. You need to click on it and search for settings. Click on the settings app, then this menu will appear. From this menu, you will see the Bluetooth and devices section. Click on it. After that, you can turn on Bluetooth from here. Then you can click on Add Device. Then you can add a Bluetooth device. Now all the Bluetooth devices will show from here. You can just click on the device that you want to connect and connect it. So don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.